He's a mad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a mad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be unboxing and doing our first cook on the VEVOR 21-inch commercial electric griddle, okay? The folks at VEVOR sent us this, so full transparency, we did not buy this. They sent us this for a review, and it was several months ago that they sent this to us, so we're way overdue in doing this video. However, we had some circumstances throughout the year that prevented us from doing this, but we finally got a chance to do the voiceover for all the video footage that we had made. And so here is the video of the electric griddle. So hope you enjoy it. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, this is the 16-watt, 110-volt VEVOR 21-inch stainless steel commercial electric griddle with iron cooking plate. Its model number is EG-818US. The cooking surface of the griddle is 21 inches wide and 12 inches in depth. It is surrounded by a 3-inch raised baffle to prevent oil splashing. It weighs 38 pounds and the body is made of stainless steel. The griddle comes with 2 scrapers and it also comes with 2 brushes. The griddle has an iron plate cooking surface. It is not a non-stick surface, and it comes coated with an anti-rust oil that must be cleaned off before cooking. The griddle has an opening on the top surface to push all of the debris and the grease into this removable slide-out drawer for easy cleaning. The temperature control range for this little griddle goes from 122 degrees Fahrenheit up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the griddle was up to temperature, we began seasoning the griddle with some avocado oil using a paper towel. The next step was to use a couple of slices of bacon. Because of the bacon grease, it would help season the top of the griddle even further. Once the bacon had finished cooking, we then went to our next meat, which was a few greasy burgers to help continue the seasoning process. As we clean all our griddles, we poured some water on this one to clean off the excess food and grease. Then we use a scraper to get the tough spots so that we can prepare the griddle for our next cook. Once the griddle was clean, we laid down another layer of avocado oil. Next cook was a package of chicken thighs. Our next cook was a seafood test. So we put some shrimp skewers on the griddle to see how well they would cook. Our final cook today was to do what I call an egg test. We lay down a pat of butter on the clean griddle, and then we put an egg down just to see how well we prepared the surface to be as non-stick as possible. All right, guys, so that's the end of the video. The VEVOR 21-inch commercial electric griddle is probably a pretty good purchase for the price. Right now, it currently is, I think it's 107 at the time of this video on the VEVOR website. Okay, there are some pros and cons to the cooker. In my next few videos, I will kind of go over what I really like and what I really wish they would improve upon. Okay, but other than that, if you're looking for a little electric grill that you can cook on the indoors or outdoors, or 38 pounds, you can take it around with you, then I think this one will do you right. Like I said, you don't have to worry about propane or charcoal or anything of that nature. It's totally electric. We've cooked with it indoors. We've cooked breakfast for 4 or 5 people on it. So I think for the size of it, it's really versatile. They do make a bigger size also. But check out the VEVOR website. I want to thank the folks at VEVOR for sending us the electric grill. We apologize for the delay of getting this video out, but some circumstances were beyond our control, okay? So until next time, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys in the next video.